In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create fantasy realism photo in the Google Gemini Windows app. We're taking a regular photo and turning it into a dramatic cinematic fantasy image using Gemini's image tools. The flow is simple. Upload a photo, write a detailed prompt that describes the look you want, submit it, and give the app a moment to work. Along the way, I'll share tips to help you get sharper, more realistic results. First, click the plus sign to upload a photo. Open the Gemini app on Windows and look for the large plus icon or the upload button on the home screen. Choose a clear, high-resolution image where your subject is easy to read. Good lighting, clean edges, and a simple background make a big difference. Portraits with distinct contrast work especially well for fantasy realism. Avoid anything sensitive or private, since you'll be sending the image to the app for processing. If you see options to resize on import, keep the original size for maximum detail. Next, make a prompt. Think of the prompt as your creative blueprint. Describe the subject, the transformation, the mood, and the visual style. For a fantasy realism look, include cues like hyperrealistic or cinematic. Mention dramatic lighting such as volumetric beams or high contrast. Define the environment, maybe a dark, stormy sky. Specify motion elements like particles or motion blur, and call out texture and detail, such as molten cracks or ultra-detailed surfaces. You can even reference a style like Unreal Engine, HDR, or 8K to signal sharpness and clarity. The more specific you are about color contrast, warm oranges against cool blues, for example, the more control you'll have over the final vibe. If something is crucial, put it early in the prompt. If there's anything you don't want, you can say so directly in the same prompt. When your prompt looks good, press Enter. You can also click the Send icon if you prefer. Gemini will pair your uploaded photo with the instructions in your prompt and begin generating the fantasy realism version. Make sure your internet connection is steady and leave the app in focus so the request isn't interrupted. Now wait for a while. Processing time varies depending on your device, the size of your photo, and how complex your prompt is. You might see a spinner or progress message. Once the image appears, zoom in to check edges, lighting consistency, and texture detail. If something's off, maybe the lighting is too flat or the flames are too subtle, tweak the wording in your prompt and run it again for a cleaner pass. That's all there is to it. Upload your photo, craft a vivid prompt, press Enter, and let Gemini bring your fantasy realism concept to life.